What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another recap. Today we are talking about the stocks that I'm watching tomorrow, and I'm about to pick up some shares of SNDL. I do think we could possibly retest the 80 level tomorrow. I'm gonna grab 300 shares. Let's go ahead and buy this. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and join our free chat room down below. I put in all my plays there. 300 shares, SNDL swing play. Perfect. Deep in deep in the bag with Boeing and Tesla. As you guys know, he's banking on that because Tesla dropped today. That's one that I'm watching for tomorrow as well. Actually, we did day trade that one today. Like I said, I won't hesitate to day trade it again tomorrow. There's around 40 minutes left before the market opens, and it looks like we're going to retest the 570, 571 level, right around that level. But the thing here is on the 4-hour, this places us right underneath the 4-hour. We were a little bit off on our calling. I said that it was going to initially hold the $550 mark, in which it found some resistance there right around the market open. But it managed to break out. It's holding decently around the 555 level. But like I said, on the 4-hour, this throws us down under the EMA. Either tomorrow we come down and retest that 550 level, or slightly a bit lower, and we come on back down, possibly to find some new support right around the 530s, or this continues upward above EMA, in which that case I wouldn't be surprised if it starts trading around the 570, maybe the low 580 level. But like I said, this is an instrument. It's like one of my day trading. It's like my go-to stock for day trading. The momentum and the volume here is insane. So yeah, I traded this one currently in SNDL. Another one that we've been trying to pick up that I almost broke in on this one was Zoom. We bought right around the market open. If I would have held, it would have been a great trade. But as of right now, I played it patiently. The one made me not want to buy was the 15-minute chart. It got rejected at that previous support we had here. So I possibly said we could possibly even come down even lower. And based off the 4-hour, we can come down to retest the $400 mark. That's why I'm a bit patient on this one. I'm not too. It's not too appealing to me yet. So that's why I'm just waiting it out. Apple's another one that I'm watching on the pullback on the 4-hour. However, it is looking very strong to retest that 125 level. But it's another one that my gut isn't telling me to buy and pull the trigger yet. I'll possibly just wait for lower prices. One that I almost also did bought, I just didn't buy the dip here, and it was almost nearing my price range where I said I'd buy right around the 35 level, and it did rebound very, very drastically. Not just that, it held its gains around the 45 support midday. But if you look at the bigger picture, guys, on the 4-hour, this is placing us exactly where the EMA is at on the 4-hour. Either way, tomorrow we could possibly get a spike to 48, get rejected, and come down, or it's just gonna just fall back down tomorrow and use this as resistance and possibly retest the $44 mark. I don't know if we see the mid-30 level tomorrow. If we do tend to see a pullback, I think it'll base itself right around the $43 mark. But if we do see a pullback tomorrow, that's probably gonna be my chance to buy. Another one, XPEV. On the 4-hour at the EMA, same situation, same scenario, just different price ranges, almost identical price ranges, by the way. So even if it pulls back towards the EMA, I'd possibly get in around the $50 mark. Of course, not fully positioned because that is the whole dollar that'll probably act as support. And if it doesn't, you just cut your loss and you manage your position, and it's not a loss that's gonna be detrimental. So that's another one that I'm interested in. Boeing. Moving up today. This one a while ago on the 4-hour, we were waiting for a double bottom here to crash, pull back, and it never did. Since then, it's been spiking, and it looks like it's going to retest the $225 mark. Alibaba, of course, it's not a video if I don't have Alibaba in there. On the 4-hour, still getting slumped under the EMA. My bet is I'm a little iffy on this one. I know we're still red today, but it's been holding decently on the 15-minute. We obviously still have that downtrend, but the thing here is you got to look at the pattern, and what I see here is a descending triangle. For me, there's more possibility in this cracking down 260s. If you look at the 1 hour, it could come down and retest that $250 level. So I'm patiently waiting on this one. But don't be surprised if it just starts automatically moving up towards the EMA, because if it does, I'm gonna be one of the first ones to get in, because we could definitely see a spike to at least the $270 mark, which was that previous resistance here and that first initial price point where it gapped down. So any confirmation of a breakout above EMA on Alibaba, I'm going to try to start sizing on this one. Other than that, it's going to come down to the 250s. So that's pretty much it. Short, quick little video for you guys. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the chat room. Take care.